Right guys, so today we're hitting up this place behind us. The Stockport Earth Raid shelters. But obviously we're not going in this way, we're going to go find another way to get in. But this should be cool. I've seen a few videos and a few photos of the place. So we're going to go check it out. Hopefully you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments if you do. So let's go and check this place out. It's in the Stockport Earth Raid shelters. Look at that, a little tiny hole to climb through.
Look at it! Come on, bro! I'm well getting stuck.
How deep is it on the other side?
Nah, it don't go down too far.
Yeah.
Put your hands on the floor and that.
Proper try bricking this up, aren't you? Probably would have been all the way to the floor this at some point.
People cut into it.
Oh yeah, they actually cut it with grinders, aren't they? Some thick concrete that though.
Look at that.
I bet.
Go on, bro.
It's small, isn't it?
Yeah, you got to stick your shoulders
Big
on
when
that,
you
bro.
get in though, so you can.
I got my phone in from my pocket.
Yeah, I nearly crushed mine.
I put mine in back. So I dropped it before.
There you go.
Yeah, it's been moved out there.
Yes, not been in here yet. They're dumping their old batteries. It's all just a sandstone, I think it is. What's that? A little tunnel. Yeah, it stops there though, doesn't it? It don't drop down at all. Oh no, it would have done at some point. It goes that way. It goes down and underneath.
Got a lantern on the side then.
It's not the best, that
Oh,
one.
yeah.
That
The best
one's
one, but-
pretty destroyed, that one, but there'll be better ones than that. I've got one with the glass still in it up there, I think.
That's cool.
And it had hold like 2,000 people, this.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a newspaper that's obviously disintegrated. Yeah, it's absolutely gone. It's that newspaper, but it looks like someone had brought that in there because it's in colour in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have the date on corner of it.
Oh, that's 2,000. That's definitely been brought here. That.
I bet someone's brought it to like fires or something here.
Yeah, probably. Well, they like doing that. We've seen that today. I've got brought it in the fire. Yeah. Ridiculous.
Here's the old
Wow,
beds.
what happened to
Rackings.
these? Oh my god, these were full.
Yeah, the rust that.
There's loads of beds in here like these are almost destroyed, aren't they?
Tell how it's all just been cut out. You see all cut marks in it. Oh, I'm falling over everything. Is it?
Yeah.
I don't think I've got another torch in my bag neither. Unless I'm going to use my phone as a torch.
There you go, this way I think. So we are heading to find the steps now, guys.
That one, it just turns it off.
Use my phone as a torch. And then you've got your camera then. Proper quiet in here as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really quiet, bro. Don't know whether it's to do with material or whatever.
They are here.
Yo, where does that look? Look at that. Oh.
Looks like a lead bin. No, metal, I think. That's another one that's been blocked off, isn't it?
Yeah.
Someone's tried digging through though. Well, they dug pretty far.
Yeah, this will carry on, this airage shelter, bro. They're from the toilets then, I think.
Are they?
Yeah, there's some buckets in the toilets and that, bro. So I think that's where they're from.
Proper brick wall bits as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's all sandstone, this. Look
It's all been carved, hasn't it?
It just disintegrates in your hand, bro.
It's cool.
You're late on the same bit where I've got my cover photo. Yeah, I've got a cover photo lay exactly where he is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On the bed. Just imagine sleeping on these.
Yeah.
They're not the worst, even without a mattress, you know. I could probably imagine the bombs going off above you.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, and you had to, and you slitted loads, you just sleeping on these.
They're just shaking to full power if you're trying to sleep. The toilet there.
Yo, look how
Is that
far
what they are?
That one. Still got the lid on that one.
All these beds are still pretty.
So these are the actual toilets then. The wood's still on it. I reckon that's just might just be rust.
Hopefully not.
It's got everywhere, don't
Picture
they?
that, innit?
There should be down there to the right, I think.
The what?
Stairs somewhere. To the right.
Oh, concrete they put in here. Must have been a bit of a weaker spot to put concrete in.
Oh, it's mad, I've got 9 minutes on the wall, my camera's my face.
They concreted all these, it must have been a lot weaker, the sandstone or something.
Yeah.
You got like a wood plank at the top.
Yeah, it must have it would have had electric running through at some point, wouldn't it? The line.
Yeah, there's another lamp in there.
Oh yeah.
Never seen that.
It's cool that. It's like a big maze, isn't it?
Yeah. I think it's an old entry.
Little cubby holes, obviously certain people stopping in certain bits. We've got these, they must have had something in the wood going across, but I don't like it's on that side though, it just looks like it's on this side. Drops up, this is actually going up slightly.
No, because we look down and it's that dark.
It's got like all these cubby holes things here as well. Some of the old electrics that used to run through here. Some more beds. Full of beds in here, old steel beds. Some of them are actually still in not bad condition. This is where we get lost now, innit, and don't know our way out. You just keep going, you can't even see down there. It's that far down. This is
Semi-full.
yeah, they've still got the lens in that one.
That's the one that wow, as if it's still in the same place. That's what I thought last time.
These stairs are rare, Bucky.
Alright. Oh, so someone had put candles up. Wow, they go.
Yeah, that's straight
Oh.
up to the park now.
Is it?
Yeah.
That job
They go pretty far up. See how much water's been coming in as well though, can't you?
These ones didn't have water for the last time. But I can last time.
So this would have been the main entrance, wouldn't it?
There's water in these steps.
That, where they bricked it all off. That someone took bricks out and they've replaced them again. That's pretty cool, that. Look at that. That's ace. Imagine if you had to come down here. What bombs are going off and you had to come down here just to get away from everything. But it's a bit eerie and scary coming down here.
what you can see. Tell it's not there.
That's cool.
Everyone turn your torches off a sec. See how dark it is.
It's dark.
Yeah, it'd be pitch black. I remember I used to have to do. Remember, I'm sure I've been here when I was in primary school and they brought you in. They obviously made us all stand there and put everything up pitch black so you could see how dark it had to be, how do we live it.
I think how dark it is in here now.
Yeah.
Pitch black. I see nothing.
That's what told me.
Yeah, no, there is a museum, one of these, you know, in Manchester. There's 3 area shelters, there's 2 abandoned ones, this is one of them. And then you've got the museum you can actually go and see. It's got all the clothes and that in there.
Clear there.
Yeah, that's like you pay to go in and it's got all the beds and everything made on it. From out of these area shelters. Yeah. It's getting the more damage, the more and more damage this stuff. Yeah. Really bad. Never used to be damn but wet in here.
Beds after beds, that's a dead end.
Yeah, that's literally all that is.
It must have been their own fires or something, or something.
Yeah.
It's like bricked off. Oh no, it's wood in it, so might have been just little cupboards or something.
Yeah, storage.
Yeah, little storage cabinets.
It's warm under here, isn't it?
I'm saying that there's water or
You've got
electric coming up into it.
Oh, it just come off. Yeah, there's things for the fixtures, you know, the lighting fixtures
Yeah.
on the ceiling.
Oh yeah, I've seen them before, all the way along.
Yeah.
Little LED, there'll be LED then. Yeah,
Yeah.
the LED then.
They go all the way along.
Nailed in.
Look at that one, that's a script. Look at this.
Look at these beds, look how rusty they are. Proper rusty beds. Enjoying this?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Dog trying to find a room.
That's cool.
Yo, mad picture art.
Picked that though. So this must have gone somewhere else as well. At some point. They've bricked up. There's a lot of clay in it. Fell down. Spooky. Keep going. Proper quiet in here though, isn't it? It's all cables running through there. Past these, let's get past these. Another one of them toilets. There's knocked a wall down, haven't they, someone?
This should be a bathroom, you can tell, see how they used to be on the wall there.
Oh yeah, so you had the cubicles just there, didn't they? Let's see where your toilets have been. There's one, obviously one toilet, the other one, and one at the back
There
there.
is actually a full set of them, all still standing there.
Is there?
Yeah. There might be, but it should be. Look at that one, I don't think. Watch all that wiring, that's fucking wiring all the phone. What's dead? Imagine being in that corner, it's just late though.
Oh, cupboards here. But they've got like a piece of pipe coming up. See, there's a piece of pipe on each one coming up, so I don't know if that was even like a sink or something like that.
They're old, innit?
Look at that, look at this Doritos packet. No way.
What have we found?
This Doritos packet. Nah, that's a sick picture that. Look how old that is.
Oh yeah. Tazos.
Got one.
That's cool.
Some more on the floor as well.
People have been collecting them, haven't they?
What's that? What's this here?
That's what it is. What is it? A drifter.
Drifter.
20p chocolate bar.
I've been 20p for a while.
Drifter. It's too much chew for one bar. Really old stuff. What floor in here? Climbing over everything. Old Stella cans. Not much.
Remember them tassels?
What?
Remember them tassels?
Oh yeah. Oh. Walk through the beds. Someone's obviously knocked these over, aren't they? They're not really bad condition to how long they've been down here compared to how some of them are rusty. Just little cubby holes for everyone, innit? Oh, look at that.
So it's hard walking around in the dark, isn't it? Cubicles in there.
What in here?
Yeah, like a big row of them. This is the toilet.
So these are the cubicles. Oh yeah, they're all lined up, aren't they?
Yeah.
So these are the old type. They must be the. Oh, I don't know if that's an actual bin or
Yeah,
not.
they poo in them and they burn it.
Got that there. Here's the toilet seats, door,
That's got a lot of mould though.
door handle. It's cool.
You can actually see in here proper where the pickaxe marks are in all the walls.
Yeah, where they dug it all out.
Yeah.
But it took them some years or some
Of course it
time
did.
to make this bunker. I wonder if they had like shower rooms.
They must have somewhere.
Yeah,
Oh, man.
bricked it off. Cement,
When
yeah.
they were £2.10.
It just says men's.
Man's toilets.
Richmond Super King back then when it's about another £2.10 for a tender.
It's a dead end, isn't it?
This one.
No, and it's fucking still going through all the way down there.
Still got
Still got this
Yeah,
up.
yeah.
It's bare tools.
I heard 10 pack.
That's what I mean,
10
£2.10.
pack of fags.
This is the other toilet there.
Must be.
Yeah.
Got further down.
Now with the women's.
You see if they're nicer? Yeah.
Yo, wooden toilet seat.
Oh yeah, there's one here as well. Old bucket with wooden toilet seat on it.
I'll just whack my lens off the wall.
Oh, that's why I put my cover on it, me.
Yeah, I need one of them, bro. Look at that.
Oh, metal
That's the
toilet
lid. That's
seat.
the lid, bro.
More toilets.
Oh, there's the original handle for the door and the toilet.
Yeah, there's one in the other one.
There we go. There's a fucking.
Oh, woods, just
a full toilet.
Like, just imagine coming here when it's cold at night and you just have to sit
I
down
know,
on
I
that
know.
and everyone else has already been to it before you.
There's like half a door and the handle that just like fell in on itself.
Yeah, they would have rotted over time, wouldn't they?
But it's cool to know that someone back in that day has touched that handle. Do you know what I mean?
So are we going back and then carry on down that way, or?
yeah.
Guess you take some photos.
Oh, try.
Try and take some photos.
So you got the door handles and the originals.
Someone been sleeping down here?
Yeah, about the looks of things.
Had the sleeping bags down here and quilts and everything, haven't they? Look at that.
Someone's definitely been.
Camping out in here.
Yeah.
Just doesn't stop, does it? It just keeps going and going. Someone's JCB socks. See what these are. With needle there. Well, just needles. Some
There's what?
crackheads been in here.
Oh, bro.
So them with that have the needles in them.
They've been shooting up in it. Careful where you stand.
So, I don't blame them.
Yeah, careful where you stand in that. People have been shooting up in here.
Okay.
It is warm in here though, isn't
I
it?
know, yeah, I said I don't blame them.
Did you actually find one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, syringe there.
The needle's gone out the end of it.
the needle's still on it, it's just dirty.
Oh. That's something you don't want to touch.
Yeah, definitely not.
Yeah.
It's It's not like they must have had they must have used like a candle or something to walk around here, because I can tell you now they don't have torches, have they?
There's loads of candles.
Yeah, there's a few candles.
Shooting up in the candlelight.
Got some 6 and 7 like that for a long time.
Which way?
That's why where the arrows on.
Another cubby hole. It's just like a big maze, must have been coming through there. Everything's leaking through there.
Yeah, it's like
Like oil.
it's like bitumen, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like the tire's coming through from road or something.
Yeah, it's coming, you can see it all over there as well.
I think there's a lot more around there as well.
It's like oil.
Yeah.
It might be oil though.
It could be.
Let me get out of these beds. Oh. Some other room. So made me jump a bit then. It's like tar, innit? Like
Yeah.
oil coming through.
It's literally dropping through right now, isn't it?
This obviously was some kind of other room, weren't it? Because there's some kind of window or door out there.
Maybe that might have been the shower.
I don't know, because a lot of them have got them pipes coming up there.
That's strange, isn't it?
Gloria.
Is that another room?
Yeah, looks fresh Brit, that. Well, fresh air.
There's a light off a lantern in there, full lens.
Oh, it's not very far back though, is it?
It's like the one.
Just think how long it took him to dig all this out, and they had to take the stuff out of here as well.
Yeah.
Had to remove all the sandstone and everything. Another toilet.
That's the end of it.
No lens. Are we back here? Back to the entrance.
Is that a ration bottle or something? That's not it.
Tin, innit?
Some kind of tin.
Let me see where the roof's been dripping. Yeah. Went through the floor there.
This the end?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Bucky, 59p for a bottle of Coke.
59p? Well, I've just paid that.
Oh, yeah. 59p. That'll go Coca-Cola.
Pork crack in there.
I'll have to turn this light up for in that school. Or else they'll be using it like it's supposed to.
I'll look at you like that.
So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. This is pretty cool. Stockport Raid Shelters. Never actually been in here before. Other people I know have, but I think it's pretty cool. It's something you see from what I don't even know how many years ago it is. All the work they've done in here just to obviously dig it all out to save people's lives when the bombs and everything are dropping. So until the next video, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's hit that share button, guys. So until the next video, bye.
I'll in a second, I'll do it now. You're going for
Look at the
Looks like he's trying to do the fish thing.
the guinea pig testing out, going backwards.
So I'll go backwards. Put my camera on there.
Make sure you go over and check his channel, Luke Adventures.
Ooh, it's a bit hard. Oh. You can grab like a little hold on the back of the wall. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
No, feel the new confidence.
Do you want to go past me and pass me his camera?
It's alright, I've got it.
It's either go forward and someone grab you, or go backwards.
What's that?
So you can either go forwards and one of you grab her, or
Yeah, I'll stay here.
I think backwards might be the better way though, because it goes right down and then off again as well. Ooh.
Can you feel where you put your hand there, yeah?
Oh my god, my fat bum won't go through. Don't let me slip back.
Sorry.
Nice aim.
It's really slippy on here as well.
Feels weird because it's so dark behind you.
Yeah, you're alright.
It is slippy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's alright, I've got them.
It's weird because it's pitch black behind me and I'm trying to climb out.